Mentakasngi UMLA karak samgri Liminson Sangma thap ya ka nomination ka jongu na ka bentaban jit ya ka kamu deputy speaker jong ka ying dorbar thawan jong ka jala Meghalaya. Commissioner bat secretary ka ying dorbar thawan jong ka jala Meghalaya Andrew Simon bat lampang Thomas E Sangma kilapentip ba katarik ka bakaddo ban thap ya ka karteng kalong mentakasngi ba ya ka jung thap karteng ya Liminson momin laterwa daw MLA Marcus Marak bat eti mondal. Lapen tibru balada ka election kan long klem dadon Kiba Aireng ka ying dorbar kan sa Pynbna ya ka kerteng jong Liminson momen kumu deputy speaker ha ka khat ar tarik benai September. Kasyuki deputy speaker kala sathli hadin bau deputy speaker bamenta Timothy D Shira ule ino ya kasyuki dangshen.
Who has that?
Liminson Sangma.
So is he the only MLA who was filed in nominations?
Yeah, he is the only one. He has been proposed by Marcus and Marak and Shri A.T. Mandal. So he is the only one who has filed.
So when's the last date for filing?
Today.
Today 4 o'clock.
Yes, tomorrow is withdrawal. And election will be on Friday.
So, till now, opposition hasn't filed anyone. So, in that case, since only one candidate has filed, I believe, then the announcement will be made today or?
No, on Friday in the House.